scissors.
You see the scissors?
Yeah.
How? Up the stairs, to your right, you see it.
That was crazy. Okay, so this is the new and improved.
Look, it has a bigger frame thing in the back. That's where the other one was smaller. That's about the same size again.
Yeah, it was smaller on the smaller piece. And this is proportional. Now, when you did this, did they say that they had put the new image up there?
Well, I took down the other image and put up the new one. So should be better. This is like Christmas here.
It is. I'm very excited and nervous. Okay.
All right. They better done a good job. Put a new photograph up there. Yes.
Yeah, that is it. Okay.
That's how it's supposed to look.
That's